Hey guys, Captain Klutch here, and thanks again for joining me for some more Tower 3D Pro. Today we're heading over to Atlanta International, and as you can see, I'm going to be setting up on 26 left will be our inbound, and most likely be sending most of our planes out on 27 right. We'll see how that all works out. I kind of like to play this airport by having planes kind of come in, and then everything's kind of shuttling down to the south here and then heading out that way, so there's no kind of cross traffic. Basically everyone's just kind of coming in and going out and no one's having to pass by each other. That's kind of my plan, at least for today. We'll see how that all works out when we have some different planes that come in. Once again, we've got 100% traffic density, and our forecast today will be clear. 5 o'clock rush hour time, I guess, end of rush hour probably. But yeah, should be a good time. Thanks for joining me once again, guys. Make sure you do hit that subscribe button if you want to see some more of this stuff and to keep track of what's going on here. But otherwise, guys, I will see you after the short break.
Klutch Simulations.
Hey guys, welcome to the tower. So I'm probably, like I said, going to be putting out planes on what runway I was saying here on this side here. I believe it was 27 right, and we'll be landing over here on 26 left, I believe. Value 5549er. Pushback approved. Expect runway 27 right.
Ground 27 right, pushback approved.
It's been a while since I played this. It's going to take a little bit getting back into her. Value 5589er. Pushback approved. Expect runway 27 right.
27 right, pushback approved. Value 5589.
Excellent. So yeah, we'll have a bunch of planes coming in off the side here at some point. I should be able to get guys to come down in this here area and leave the runway here instead of going all the way up, right? So I'll probably have them come off of. Can I do Sierra? I bet you I could do Sierra. We'll see. We'll try our first one. We'll see if he can take off from Sierra. These are both regional jets, so they tend to need a little bit more, I find. We'll see. We'll see how it works for us. Let's speed things up just a touch here.
Tower, Leslie 4155 with you, runway 26 left.
Leslie 4155. Runway 26 left, clear to land.
Runway 26 left, clear to land, Leslie 4155.
I do find that LA does tend to get overrun pretty easily sometimes. Or sorry, what am I talking about? This is Atlanta. Atlanta does tend to get overrun a little bit easily sometimes, but... Leslie 1639er, pushback approved. Expect runway 27 right. If you can keep all the planes coming in one side and then leaving on another, that seems to be the best way to get it going. Value 5549er, runway 27 right at Sierra. Perfect. Value 5601, pushback approved. Expect runway 27 right.
Runway 27 right at Sierra, value 5549er. Ground 27 right, pushback approved.
That worked out well, so he'll be able to go and take off right here, which is just perfect. Value 5549er, wind is 39er at 0 knots. A runway 27 left, right. Son of a... I got it backwards. I don't want him to go to 27, so I'm going to leave that alone.
Ground, value 5589er ready to taxi.
Value 5589er, runway 27 right at Sierra.
Runway 27 right at Sierra.
I got mixed up which runway I was taking off from. Value 5549er, wind is 39er at 0 knots, runway 27 right, clear for takeoff.
Wind is 39er, 0 knots, runway 27 right, clear for takeoff, value 5549er. Tower, Leslie 157 with you, runway 26 left.
Leslie 157, runway 26 left, clear to land.
Runway 26 left, cleared to land, Leslie 157.
This guy looks like he has got to be ready to go.
39er ready to taxi.
Leslie 1369er, pushback approved. Oh, you've already been pushed back, so I can get rid of this. Leslie 1639er, a runway 27 right at Sierra.
Runway 27 right at Sierra, Leslie 1639er.
Yeah, I'm a little sleepy right now, apparently. I have not gotten these planes going the right direction already. Telling this guy to go to the other runway. I guess that's why you don't put air traffic controllers up who aren't fully caffeinated. Alright, so this, yeah, Atlanta, you can see, look at all the terminals they've got here. So this is all an underground system that goes between all these terminals. I mean, if you had a, I think the actual, let's see if I can do this. The parking lot is over on this side here. Yeah, way over here. And if you had to get your plane that's way down in this far terminal, that would be one heck of a terminal hop. That'd be a lot of moving sidewalks to get through.
5601 ready to taxi.
Value 5601, runway 27 right at Sierra.
Runway 27 right at Sierra, value 5601.
Value 5589er, runway 27 right, line up and wait.
Runway 27 right, line up and wait, value 5589er.
Yeah, if we can get these guys kind of lined up and ready to go before it gets too busy. I don't know how busy it's going to get this time of night. It's 5 o'clock. Who knows? White Sand 301, runway 26 left, clear to land.
Runway 26 left, cleared to land, White Sand 301.
That's a little prop plane. I should actually push him over. You know what? I might do that. White Sand 301, enter final, runway 26 right.
Enter final, runway 26 right, White Sand 301.
White Sand 301, runway 26 right, clear to land.
Runway 26 right, cleared to land, White Sand 301.
So he's going to be coming in at a different speed, so I'm kind of concerned that planes behind him will catch up to him. So I'm going to push him over onto the far side there, just to be safe. Value 5589er, a wind is 39er at 0 knots, runway 27 right, cleared for takeoff. Can't get it right whether I'm doing 27 right or 27 left. Value 5549er, contact departure.
Tower, Magic 3377 with you, runway 26 left.
Magic 3377, runway 26 left, clear to land.
Roger, good day.
Yeah, he's on a regional jet, perfect.
Clear to land, Magic 3377.
What are we gonna have here?
Requesting push and start.
Leslie 297, pushback approved, expect runway 27 right.
Negative.
Leslie 297, pushback approved, expect runway 27 right.
Ground, 27 right, pushback approved.
Alright.
297.
Value 5601, wind is 39er at 0 knots, runway 27 right, clear for takeoff.
Wind is 39er at 0 knots, runway 27 right, cleared for takeoff, value 5601.
That's right, there you go. We still haven't had anybody land yet, have we? No, just the one has taken off. And so you can see here what I'm talking about. We've got two planes that are going to be side by side. And I hope that doesn't cause me any issues. It's a good thing I pushed him off there, though. I'm almost tempted actually to bring him like way over here. Because that's going to be...
Tower, Leslie 7188 with you, runway 26.
Oh man, like that's going to be tight. He's going to be getting passed by everybody there. We'll see what happens. I don't know if he's going to make that or not. That's kind of a problem. Leslie 297, a runway 27 right at Sierra.
Negative.
Leslie 297, runway 27 right at Delta.
Negative.
Really? What is he? What is Leslie 297?
Leslie 297 ready to taxi.
Oh, that's why. Leslie 297, runway 27 right at Sierra.
Runway 27 right at Sierra, Leslie 297.
Leslie 4155, taxi to terminal.
Taxi to terminal, Leslie 4155.
Value 5589er, contact departure.
Roger, good day.
Leslie 1639er, runway 27 right, line up and wait.
Runway 27 right, line up and wait, Leslie 1639er. Tower.
Alright.
Push and start.
Leslie 443, pushback approved. Expect runway 27 right.
Ground, 27 right, pushback approved. Leslie 443. Tower, Leslie 90816 requesting push and start.
Leslie 90816, pushback approved. Expect runway 27 right.
Ground, 27 right.
Leslie
pushback approved.
1639er, wind is 40 at 0 knots, runway 27 right, clear for takeoff. Value 5601, contact departure.
Roger, good day.
Good day to you.
40 at 0 knots, runway 27 right, cleared for takeoff, Leslie 1639er.
Tower, Denali 4342 with you, runway 26 left.
Denali 4342, runway 26 left, clear to land. Leslie 7188, runway 26 left, clear to land.
Say again.
See, look at these guys are going to cause some issues here. I'm going to get dinged for sure, I think, here, but we'll see what happens. Leslie 7188, runway 26 left, clear to land.
Runway 26 left, clear to land. Leslie 718.
I just foresee these guys being too close as they approach the terminal, or the airport, and I'm going to get dinged with an encounter. Leslie 157, taxi to terminal.
Taxi to terminal. Leslie 157.
Oh, I don't like the way they go there. Oh well. Leslie 443, runway 27 right at Sierra.
Runway 27 right at Sierra. Leslie 443.
Yeah, they go down Lima, and yeah, it's okay. Leslie Niner 816, runway 27 right at Sierra.
Runway 27 right at Sierra. Leslie 90816.
So as long as he gets out,
2039 with you, runway
yeah, that'll be all right. Should be all right, in theory. Leslie 2039, runway 26 left, clear to land.
runway 26 left, clear to land. Leslie 2039.
Leslie 1639, contact departure.
Roger. Good day.
Leslie 297, wind is 40 at 0 knots, runway 27 right, clear for takeoff.
Tower, Leslie 148 requesting push and start.
Leslie 148, pushback approved, expect runway 27 right.
Wind is 40 at 0 knots. Runway 27 right, cleared for takeoff. Leslie 297.
Alright, so what do we got? These guys are separating, that's good. Who said negative there? Leslie 148, pushback approved, expect runway 27 right.
Ground, 27 right, push back.
Thank you.
Leslie 148.
And have I given him, yes, he's got the check mark, so he's been given clearance to take off. Perfect. And I've given him clearance for pushback. Yeah, we're looking good. We're looking good.
Tower, Leslie 8709 are requesting push and start.
What is this? What do we got here? Leslie 8709 are pushback approved. Expect runway 27 right.
Ground, 27 right, push back approved. Leslie 8709 are. Tower, Leslie 62 with you, runway 26 left.
Leslie 62, runway 26 left, clear to land.
Runway 26 left, clear to land. Leslie 62.
Alright, we've got a lot of movement going on down in this neck of the woods, but I think everything looks okay. The question is, who's going to be first here? Which guy, 443 or 4155, is going to make Sierra first? If I was smart, I would have sent him... oh, never mind. He's not going to the runway. What am I talking about? Leslie 443. Wind is 41 at 0 knots. Runway 27 right, clear for takeoff.
Wind is 41 at 0
Leslie
knots.
297, contact departure.
443. Roger. Good day.
Magic 3377. Taxi to terminal.
Ground, Leslie 148 ready to taxi.
You know what? I'm going to change him up a bit. Magic 3377. Taxi to terminal via Echo.
Taxi to terminal via Echo. Magic 3377.
Let's see if he does that properly. So if I just give him that command, I'm hoping he just goes all the way down. We'll see here. When he gets off the runway on the taxiway, it should light up for us, and will tell us if we were successful with that command. We'll see. Leslie 148, hold position.
Hold position, Leslie 148.
Yeah, see, he's got to go this way, so it's going to cause us some collision problem. Oh, see. Magic 3377. Taxi to terminal via Echo.
Taxi to terminal via
Yeah, there we go. That's what I want. He was going to do it, I think. I don't know. It's kind of strange.
Leslie 180 requesting push and start.
Leslie 8709er. No. Leslie 180, pushback approved. Expect runway 27 right.
Negative. Leslie 180.
Leslie 180, pushback approved. Expect runway 27 right.
Ground. ground. 27 right. push
Leslie
back.
7188.
Leslie 180.
Taxi to terminal via Echo.
Taxi to terminal via Echo Leslie 718.
All right.
Ground. Leslie 870.
Leslie 148. Continue taxi.
Continue taxi Leslie 148.
Leslie 148. Taxi via mic. Yeah, there we go. That's right.
Leslie 1.
Leslie 157. Hold position. Leslie 90816. Runway 27 right, clear for takeoff.
Runway 27 right cleared for takeoff Leslie 90816.
I forgot to give him wind. That's okay. I need to get this guy going though.
050 with you.
Is he
runway
moving?
26 left.
Leslie 148. Continue taxi.
Continue taxi Leslie.
Yeah, he's moving. All right. All right, so what do we got going on here? These guys are both coming in. I'm not getting dinged with a proximity warning on either of them, which is kind of nice. I thought for sure I would. Leslie 8709er, runway 27 right at Delta.
Runway 27 right at Delta Leslie 8709er.
That's going to work out well.
Leslie 180 ready to taxi.
Leslie 180, runway 27 right at Mike 14.
Unable to take off from this runway.
Really?
The runway is too short for takeoff Leslie 180.
Oh, she's a jumbo. Leslie 180, or runway 27 right at Mike 18.
Runway 27 right at Mike.
There we go.
18,
That works.
180.
That works. Denali 4342, taxi to terminal via Echo.
Taxi to terminal by Echo Denali 4342.
See, look at this guy here. He's just so slow. Just a little prop plane. That worked out well. Okay. Good to know. Leslie 443, contact departure.
Roger. Good day.
Denali 742, runway 26 left, clear to land.
Runway 26.
Leslie 1050, runway 26 left, clear to land.
Runway 26 left clear to land Leslie 1050.
Leslie 157, continue taxi.
Continue taxi Leslie 157.
White Sands 301, taxi to terminal via Charlie. Oh no, cancel that. I want Delta. White Sands 301, taxi to terminal via Delta.
Taxi to terminal via Delta White Sand 301.
Leslie 2039er, taxi to terminal via Echo.
Tower. Leslie 6937 with you runway 26 left.
Leslie 6937, runway 26 left, clear to land.
Taxi to terminal by Echo.
Leslie 9816, contact departure. Good day, sir.
Good day.
Runway 26 left.
Ma'am,
clear to land
I
Leslie
guess.
6937.
What do we got here? Leslie 8709er, runway 27 right, cleared for takeoff.
Runway 27 right cleared for takeoff Leslie 8709er.
Get you out of my way. I keep on forgetting to give you weather updates, but that's okay. It's clear. You will figure that out. Leslie 2039er, taxi to terminal via Echo. I might have given him that command already, but we'll be safe. We'll double up. What do we got going on here? Are these guys okay? We got the one jumbo and then just the, yeah. The JT1, as they call it. I'm not sure what the JT1, what would that signify? I'm assuming that the RJ1s are like your 737s. Did I have somebody else that was asking me for something there? What did I miss? Leslie 145, runway 26 left, clear to land.
Runway 26 left clear to land Leslie 145.
Now the key is going to get him across the runway. That'll be always fun. We'll wait till he gets to the corner. I'll have to be right on Johnny on the spot there to get him to cross. Leslie 62. Tax. Leslie 62. Globe 62? No. Leslie 62, taxi terminal via Echo. There we go. It was Leslie 62. Thought I was losing my mind there. Look at how small this little plane is over here. Did I miss anybody? No. Leslie 8709er, contact departure. Gotta remember what his call sign was. White Sands 301, continue taxi.
Continue taxi White Sand 301. Tower.
Alright.
4671 requesting push and start.
Magic 4671, pushback approved. Expect runway 27 right.
Ground. 27 right pushback approved.
Is he going all the way to the back? I didn't direct him to stop anywhere, eh? Oh well. Leslie 180, runway 27 right, clear for takeoff.
Negative.
Leslie 180, wind is 42 at 0 knots, runway 27 right, cleared for takeoff.
Wind is 42 at 0 knots, runway 27 right, cleared for takeoff, Leslie 180.
See, I didn't like this. It's way too close for my liking.
Tower, Leslie 101.
Leslie 950, pushback approved, expect runway 27 right.
Tower, Leslie 950.
Leslie 151, pushback approved, expect runway 27 right.
Negative. Leslie 950.
What are you talking about?
7 right
Leslie
pushback.
950, pushback approved, expect runway 27 right.
Tower, value 5516.
Value 5516, pushback approved, expect runway 27 right.
Ground. 27 right pushback approved.
Oh man.
Leslie 950.
Ground.
Denali 742,
Value 5.
taxi to terminal via Echo.
Taxi to terminal by Echo Denali 742.
What do we got here? Leslie 1015, runway 26 left, clear to land.
Runway 26 left, clear to land. Leslie 1015.
Leslie 148, runway 27 right, line up and wait.
Runway 27 right, line up and wait. Leslie 148.
I don't think I've heard anyone give me a request for a runway yet, have I? I don't think so. What is so noisy around me here? Holy. There's a plane like right beside me.
50, runway 26 left.
Ground. Magic 4671 ready to taxi.
Magic 4671, runway 27 right at Sierra.
Runway 27 right at Sierra, Magic 4671. Ground. Leslie 151 ready to taxi.
Leslie 151, runway 27 right at Sierra.
Unable to take off from this runway.
Uh,
Short for takeoff, Leslie 151.
What is 151? They're a jumbo. Leslie 151, runway 27 right at Delta.
Unable to take off from
Duh. Leslie 151, runway 27 right at Mike 16.
Runway 27 right at Mike 16, Leslie 151.
Oh, what is he going to do that for? Leslie 151, runway 27 right. We'll just make it simple. We'll let him go right to the back. That's fine.
Leslie 950 ready to taxi.
Leslie 950, runway 27 right at Sierra.
Runway 27 right at Sierra, Leslie 950.
Leslie 6650, runway 26 left, clear to land. Leslie 1050, taxi to terminal via Echo.
Runway 26 left, clear to land. Leslie 6650.
Perfect. So we're trying to keep all the planes on this side, and that just avoids any potential collisions on this side for the most part. Every once in a while you get some of these guys here that are all kind of coming to the same spot. If I was smart, I would have had White Sands 301 come down to Delta. But, too late now. Actually, you know what? He's not taking off. What am I complaining about?
Tower.
I think there's enough room.
Left.
Yeah. Leslie 205, runway 26 left, clear to land.
Runway 26 left, clear to land.
Leslie 180, contact departure.
Roger. Good day.
Ground. Value 5516 ready to taxi.
Value 5516, runway 26. I don't want to go 26, that's for sure. Get rid of this. Go, go, go. Yep. Value 5516, runway 27 right at Sierra.
Runway 27 right at Sierra.
Leslie
Value
148,
5516.
runway 27 right, clear for takeoff.
Runway 27 right, cleared for takeoff. Leslie 148.
We're gonna have some planes stacking up here in a second. That's not great, but there's nothing else kind of come behind, so we just have those 4 guys we need to get out of here. Leslie 6937, taxi to terminal via Echo.
Taxi to terminal by Echo. Leslie 6937. Tower. Leslie 434 requesting push and start.
Where is Leslie 434? Leslie 434, pushback approved. Expect runway 27 right.
Negative. Leslie 434.
Leslie 434, pushback approved. Expect runway 27 right. Thank you.
27 right, pushback approved. Leslie 434.
I can't read what his call sign is. There it is. Oh, I'm having some issues right here. Oh, okay, they made it through. I thought there was going to be a crash right there.
Tower.
Magic 4671. Wind is 43 at 0 knots. Runway 27 right, cleared for takeoff.
Wind is 43 at 0 knots. Runway 27 right. Clear.
Leslie 950, runway 27 right, line up and wait.
Runway 27 right. Line up and wait. Leslie 950.
Leslie 6937. Taxi to terminal via Echo. Perfect. Leslie 145. Taxi to terminal via Echo.
Taxi to terminal by
Leslie 148. Contact departure.
Roger. Good day.
Good day to you, my friend.
Echo Leslie 6903.
Alright, I need to clean these guys up. Oh, I need to clear this. Value 5516, hold position.
Hold position value 5516.
I hope I didn't stop or didn't encroach him. Ugh. Looks like he's pretty close in there. We'll see. Do I have anybody here? Nope. Leslie 2923, runway 26 left, clear to land.
Runway 26 left clear to land. Leslie 2923.
Alright, everyone's good there. I just need to alleviate this little mess we got going on right here, which should happen soon. And we're looking pretty good. Look at these guys. Oh, that's not great.
4953 requesting push and start.
What are you waiting for?
Value 170 with you. Runway 26
Are you
left.
stuck? Leslie 6937. Taxi to terminal.
Taxi to terminal. Leslie 6937.
I think he is stuck. I saw something happen there. I'm gonna have to clean him off. I don't know what's going on with him. He should not be stuck there, but he is, so that is what it is. Leslie 145. Taxi to terminal.
Taxi to terminal.
Leslie 1015. Taxi to terminal via Echo.
Taxi to terminal by Echo. Leslie 1015.
Alright, what do we got here? Let's see if we can get these guys going here. Leslie 9050, wind is 42 at 0 knots, runway 27 right, clear for takeoff.
Negative. 50.
Leslie 9050, wind is 42 at 0 knots, runway 27 right, cleared for takeoff. Thank you.
0 knots. Runway 27
Magic
right.
4671, contact departure.
Roger. Good day.
Yeah, good day to you. Now get out of here. Do I have this guy? I do too. Value 4953. Pushback approved. Expect runway 27 right.
Ground 27 right. Pushback approved. Value 4953.
That guy there has got pushback. I don't know why he's not going anywhere. He's just kind of hanging out. Leslie 6650. Taxi to terminal via Echo.
Taxi to terminal by Echo. Leslie 6650. Tower. Denali 3734 with you. Runway 26 left.
Value 170. Runway 26 left. Clear to land. Denali 3734. Runway 26 left. Clear to land.
Runway 26 left clear to land. Denali 3734.
Leslie 9050. Contact departure.
Runway 26 left clear to land.
Alright, so we're looking really good here. Like everyone's just kind of flowing nice and easy. Usually I find if you do like a morning shift in here, I just get bunched up everywhere. It seems like the planes just don't want to go the direction you send them. Almost need to just get like 10 that'll line up right in here to take off at the same time. And I think maybe if I did a little more time management as far as what planes I let release to the runway at a certain time, it might work a little better. But I just try to get them all going, and then it just turns into a big mess. This can be a bit of a difficult airport, that's for sure. But right now we're looking good. Value 5516, wind is 42 at 0 knots, runway 27 right, clear for takeoff.
Wind is 42 at 0 knots. Runway 27 right cleared for takeoff. Value 5516.
Ground. Value 4953 ready to taxi.
Value 4953, runway 27 right at Sierra.
Runway 27 right at Sierra. Value 4953.
Leslie 205, taxi to terminal via Echo.
Tower. Leslie 252 with you. Runway 26 left.
Taxi to terminal by
Leslie
Echo.
252, runway 26 left, clear to land.
Runway 26 left cleared to land. Leslie 252.
Tower. Magic 7278 requesting push and start.
Where's Magic in here? There he is. Magic 7278, pushback approved. Expect runway 27 right.
Ground 27 right pushback approved. Magic 7278.
Leslie 151, runway 27 right, line up and wait.
Runway 27 right, line up and wait. Leslie 151.
We'll have to wait for this plane to clear the runway before we could send him, or even though he's all the way back there, but that's fine. Leslie 434, pushback approved. Expect runway 27 right.
Negative. Leslie 434.
Oh, he might already be pushed back. Leslie 434, runway 27 right at Delta.
Runway 27 right at Delta. Leslie 434.
He was already pushed back. He's been sitting there for a while. I just thought he wasn't moving. That was my bad. Sorry, bud. Leslie 205, attacks to terminal via Echo.
Taxi to terminal by Echo. Leslie 205. Tower. Value 5606 requesting push and start.
Value 5606, pushback approved. Expect runway 27 right.
Ground 27 right pushback approved. Value 5606.
Yeah, that's about right.
2912 requesting push and start.
Leslie 2912, pushback approved. Expect runway 27 right.
Ground 27 right pushback approved. Leslie 2912.
Leslie 151, wind is 41 at 0 knots. Runway 27 right, clear for takeoff.
Tower. Leslie 7903 with you. Runway 26 left.
Wind is 41 at 0 knots. Runway
Value
27 right.
5516, contact departure.
Tower. Leslie 2155 requesting push and start.
Let's watch this guy take off here.
Ground.
This should be a good one.
278 ready to taxi.
Tower.
Anyways, guys, I'm going to call it a day up at the tower here. That was just a quick one, but, you know, it went pretty smoothly, I thought. We had all of our takeoffs coming off here off 27 right. All of our landings were going off 26 left. We had that one little Cessna or prop plane, it looked like. It came in on 26 right, but yeah, everything went fairly well, I thought. I was pretty happy with that for today. So thanks for joining me, guys. Make sure you give that subscribe button a quick little hit. Want to see some more Tower 3D or any other side of the sim games? Love to hear back from you, or maybe leave me a comment below even if you'd like to hear more about this stuff. Anyways, guys, hope you're having a great day, and I will talk with you next time.
Tower. Leslie 324 requesting push and start. Tower. Leslie 1926 requesting push and start. Tower. Leslie 17 with you. Runway 26 left.